it's Layle with Layle by Mail. In this video, we're going to take a look at the brand new Best Friends mini book project kit. So we will first take a look at the project, the completed project, and then we'll circle back and look at the contents of the kit. Oh my gosh, this collection, you guys, is so much fun. I use the Reaching Out collection from Jen Hadfield, and it's just such a beautiful, really kind of well-rounded, multi-purpose collection that's just really happy and cheery. So I have used that collection, and then I'm using the 49 and Market Chipboard Album, which is so fun. It's got so many great little details. So let's dive in and take a look. This is super chunky, you guys. So this is 2 inches wide. And then as we open, there's all different kinds of interactive elements that I have included in the project. So the album comes with this waterfall enclosure. And of course it's just blank, but we will, we decorate it as part of the project. But look at how fun. This includes, well, the size is 4x6, so you could have 4x6 photos here, but really, depending on how you decorate it, if you decided to decorate as I did, you have room for a little bit of journaling here, photos on each of the back sides. You could even be doing your photos on this little area as well. So just such a great way to add lots of additional photos, memorabilia, a little bit of journaling and what have you. But isn't that fun? I love that waterfall enclosure. And then it just, seals right up with your little string. Then we move into the rest of the project. So lots of little interactive elements like I always love to do. But definitely theme for the project is your best friends or your friends, whether you have one best friend that you want to kind of document in kind of your friendship, or you have lots of different friends that you want to document. There's really no right or wrong way to do that. But beautiful colors, and it's a really great cross-section of colors and patterns in this collection. We've got a little page here that folds out. It's what's so great about these books from 49 and Market. You can really have fun with lots of different interactive elements. Here we have a little fun interactive element there as well. We open up. This is like the whiz bang. It's so awesome. The basically we end up with a centerfold and then another centerfold, the way that I designed it. So let me get the kit actually out of the way so we can look. So first of all, opens up like this. There's our first centerfold, and this is, it's so big. This is 24 inches wide, but then, and I'm going to have to scoot it over to the side a little bit, it even opens out one additional little area here that we're adding on. So what a great place to showcase some of your favorite photos, but really you could do 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to come back open this way, and we see the same thing on the other side. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I mean, you could really just keep adding photos. So many great different little interactive elements here. Isn't that fun? Just so cute. The collection has gold foil accents throughout, which I think just makes it all the more fun to play with. Then this little guy opens up here. And then there's even a little pocket here that we're creating, and this would be a photo. So you'd just slide your little photo right in there in the pocket. We have a little Dutch door action happening over here. So opens at the top, opens at the bottom. They open independently of one another. Room for some little smaller photos there, room for more photos there, or you could just leave that the way it is. So cute with all the friends dancing. And then we kind of wrap it up here. So we have little doors that open there, but look how cute these little guys are. Little turtle and the peacock. I think you're amazing. And then back inside cover, we have 1, 2 pockets. So these little guys are just sliding in and out of the pocket. And on the back side, covered in coordinating pattern paper. And I have included ribbons so that you can either tie this in a knot or tie it in a cute little bow. All right, so now let's take a look at the contents of the kit. So, as always, the Layle by Mail project kits include the color step-by-step instructions. So this has instructions, full color, even cutting diagrams on the back for some of the 12 by 12 papers. So the meat of the project, this is that album from 49 to Market. So this is the standalone waterfall enclosure that we looked at that we'll go ahead and play with. And then you have the chipboard album itself. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4 little kind of enclosures here that are automatically, they're already adhered to the album itself. But we have a lot of fun with, in some cases, we keep the direction of the pages the way that they are. In other cases, we are changing the direction. We're cutting some of them apart, but this is how we get that really fun centerfold. But that'll give you a really good idea for or about that album. All right, then we move into the 6x8 pad. So the 6x8 pad, single-sided papers. There are 36 papers in here, which is so awesome because we use, seriously, you guys, almost every single one of those. I think there's maybe 1 or 2 or a portion or 1 or 2 that we don't use. Something like this really comes in handy with that waterfall enclosure. But do you see that? The gold foil accents, isn't that just so cute? That little rainbow I love with the gold, the little gold ray. So 36 single-sided papers in that pad. Then we have the ribbon, and the ribbon is kind of a really cool, kind of a twill, I guess, kind of ribbon. Then we have the icon, or excuse me, the phrase ephemera. And with the phrase ephemera, let's see if you can see that. There are, let's see, 40 pieces, and 10 of those pieces have gold foil. So they make really nice accents to the project. You have the 6x12 sticker sheets, so 62 stickers, also some with gold foil accents. These were such a fun addition. These are stickers, foam thickers, but this particular set that I picked is great because it kind of has a friendship theme in there, so that works very well for the project. So 2 6x12 sheets. And then wrapping it up, we have 3 12x12 papers. So this little guy is a cut apart. This one is also a cut apart, and then that is what we're using for the front and back covers. Okay, so the project is currently shipping now. I've included a link to all the information that you need in terms of ordering the project, ordering the kit, and the description of the video down below. Along with the kit, everything that we've looked at, as well as the step-by-step instructions, the kit also includes access to an exclusive 3-hour video class where I will actually take the exact same kit and we will work together to put together the project. All right, thanks for watching. Bye-bye.